From vast open pit mines, the journey of steel begins with colossal machinery extracting raw iron ore. Deep within the earth, colossal machines unearth the raw materials, beginning a transformative journey. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Giant trains transport iron ore, a vital first step in steel production. Giant automated machines unload vast quantities of raw iron ore, signaling the start of a meticulous industrial process. With incredible power, the entire hopper car is lifted and inverted, unleashing tons of iron ore. The newly delivered iron ore embarks on its automated journey, carried away by a vast network of conveyors. Automated precision lays the foundation for high-quality steel production. A wave of heat begins the transformation, fusing raw materials into sinter. The materials agglomerate into a robust, porous sinter. From fine ore to robust sinter, the transformation is complete. The continuous flow defines modern steel manufacturing. The superheated sinter cake undergoes a crucial cooling process, preparing it for the next stage. Vast amounts of steam rise, a testament to the intense heat being rapidly dissipated from the sinter. Each individual piece of sinter is optimized, ready to be utilized in the blast furnace, ensuring optimal material integrity for the demanding conditions of the blast furnace. Colossal blast furnaces, towering structures, stand ready to transform raw materials into molten iron. Automated skip cars tirelessly transport the crucial raw materials to the furnace's summit. Precisely, the materials are fed into the inferno, initiating the transformation process. The seamless ballet of automation ensures a relentless supply for continuous production. Witness the intricate process inside a blast furnace, where raw materials begin their fiery transformation. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Slag, the byproduct, separates from the denser liquid iron, preparing for tapping. Molten iron flows, ready for the next stage of steel production. From raw ore, immense heat unlocks pure molten iron, starting a critical transformation. A blinding river of molten iron erupts, signaling the beginning of true transformation. American workers in aluminized suits stand ready, monitoring every critical phase. The intense heat visibly distorts the air, a testament to extreme temperatures. Advanced robotics ensure precision and safety in this fiery, high-stakes environment. Human expertise guides these processes, ensuring quality and maximizing efficiency. The specialized refractory runner withstands unimaginable temperatures, guiding the liquid metal. Each tap feeds the continuous journey from raw ore to refined wire rods. From the blast furnaces, a fiery river of molten iron begins its journey to become steel. Advanced engineering ensures this hazardous transfer is executed with flawless precision and safety. Soon, this liquid metal will journey to the steelmaking shop, transforming into the steel of tomorrow. A colossal torpedo car delivers its fiery payload, a spectacle of modern steelmaking. Molten iron, a fiery river, cascades from the torpedo car into the waiting charging ladle. The charging ladle steadily fills with the fiery liquid, preparing for the next crucial stage. Colossal machinery orchestrates the ballet of steel making, transforming raw elements into molten power. Molten iron derived from raw ore is meticulously poured, beginning steel's transformation. Scrap steel is introduced, a vital component in crafting high-quality new steel. A spectacular chemical reaction ignites, forging new steel from raw materials and recycled scrap. Pure oxygen is now injected at supersonic speeds, initiating a powerful reaction. The refining process unleashes a violent incandescent reaction, filling the factory with a deafening roar. Automated systems meticulously monitor every parameter of this fiery transformation. Inside, a tempest of fire transforms raw materials into the steel that builds our world. The incandescent inferno inside the BOF reaches its peak, signaling the completion of steel refining. The immense BOF vessel begins its crucial tilt, revealing the refined liquid steel within. The ladle steadily fills, holding the raw material's incredible transformation into pure liquid steel. Precision mechanics guide the colossal BOF vessel, ensuring a controlled, efficient pour. The tapping process continues, an awe-inspiring dance of force and modern engineering. Precision analysis ensures every batch meets rigorous quality standards. Sophisticated diagnostics ensure the steel's integrity down to its atomic structure. The colossal ladle, brimming with molten steel, aligns perfectly above the continuous caster. This fiery river fills the tundish, ensuring a steady, measured flow into the casting molds. From the tundish, multiple strands of molten steel descend into the molds, taking shape. The fiery transformation continues, a testament to modern steel production. Liquid steel pours into water-cooled molds, beginning its transformative journey. A glowing red-hot billet emerges, pulled by powerful automated systems. Precision cooling ensures the steel billet achieves optimal internal structure. The continuous casting process creates uniform billets ready for further refinement. These billets are the foundation for wire rods born from intense heat and precision. The molten steel, now a billet, begins its controlled automated cooling journey. Guided by colossal rollers and intense water sprays, the billet takes its precise curved path. This fully automated process ensures a continuous, seamless flow of steel through precision machinery. Witness the immense scale of this state-of-the-art facility transforming raw materials with automated precision. Precision oxy-fuel torches expertly sever the glowing steel billets without interruption. The automated system ensures a continuous high-volume production flow. Colossal robotic arms precisely guide steel billets into the inferno of the reheating furnace. Transformed by intense heat, the billets emerge glowing with uniform bright orange energy, ready for the next stage. From raw ore steel is forged, the journey continues as molten metal transforms. With each pass, the billet rapidly elongates, testament to modern engineering. The immense heat and speed are precisely controlled by advanced automation. The billet narrows, preparing for the final precise forming into wire rods. Each stand relentlessly shapes the steel, nearing its final form. The superheated wire rod exits the finishing block, traveling at incredible speed. The laying head spins expertly, coiling the steel into perfect rings.